Sa isang post ay binahagi ni Chris Aquino na si Bimbi na ang mag-manage ng kanyang Instagram account at doon nga ay mukhang mas maraming activities at event ang gagawin ni Bimbi para ma-update sa buhay nilang mag-ina. Sa isang post ay sinabi ni Chris ang ganito, "Bim's finally healthy after having a bad case of the stomach flu. The typhoon made my rheumatoid arthritis hurt so much. It's hard to explain the other autoimmune diseases I have as well as the two recently diagnosed diseases because of my multiple autoimmune diseases. Let's have fun. Bim will soon take over my IG. Get to know us because we are very different people now." Sa puntong ito ay marami naman na na-excite sa ginawa na ito ni Chris at natutuwa ang mga fans na mas makakakita sila ng mas maraming update at mismong si Chris at Bimbi ang magbibigay. Kwento ni Chris, "Not just for Kuya Josh and Bimbi yung effort kong lumaban. I now have 9 primary autoimmune diseases. Number 10 is a result of the 9. And I have an 11th disease that came about because of my lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and few of my other autoimmune diseases. Love my sons and they aren't ready to lose me, especially Bim who just turned 18. Thank you for loving me." Kaya naman marami ring bigay na update si Chris at sinabi nga niya sa mga netizen na nagpapasalamat siya sa patuloy na panalangin nila. Dagdag pa ng isa, "I miss your energy. It is unmatched. We need the Chris Aquino magic soon." Sumagot naman si Chris at sinabi ang ganito, "That's the problem. I'm not the same me and I want to give all of you the Chris you deserve. Parang gremlins kung mag-multiply my autoimmune diseases including the complications. I think you will like watching the 6'2" male version of me because he's more down to earth, athletic, and super charming to all. We'll be uploading soon but Bim will be the one going outside and meeting people." Masayang sinagot ni Chris at nagpasalamat sa mga fans na patuloy na sumusuporta sa kanya. "I am currently staying at the compound of a very kind friend of my brother. This place is very peaceful and living where I get fresh sea air and listen to the waves was always my dream. Too bad I am now wheelchair bound. I still need to learn how to walk again." Hirap man si Chris sa paglalakad pero maraming mga fans ang umaasa na one of these days ay magkakaroon din ng lakas si Chris dahil nadadagdagan na rin ang kanyang tibang. Sa puntong ito ay pinipilit naman ni Chris na tumayo na ng walang alalay pero nagpapasalamat siya dahil nandun si Bimbi para bigyan siya ng support at alalay nga tuwing siya'y tumatayo o kaya ay pupunta sa CR. Sa bandang huli ay sinabi ni Chris ng ganito, "I believe that prayers are answered and miracles do happen."